So today I'm going to walk Abbott through how to make some tea. First you need some water, and I've got my nice cup with my water in it. Next we're going to put it in the microwave, this nice little thing. And I usually set it for about a minute, and then we just wait. Let me stir up my dinner too while we're waiting. Today we're making green tea, by the way. We're almost there. 22 seconds. All right, now that we're done, we're gonna grab it out of the microwave, shut the door, come over here, put the nice tea bag right into the water. We're gonna grab a spoon, grab some sugar, pour it in, mix it up. Wait a couple seconds for it to change colors, and then our tea is ready to drink. And guess what? That probably took half the time of the British, and it probably tastes really good because there's no milk and there's no kettle.